This might be a little silly for some people, but throughout my healing journey, I didn't know you can have two emotions. Basically, I didn't think two things can be true simultaneously. Say, for example, you really, really love someone, but you just feel like your time together has came to an end. I couldn't really go through the healing process because I didn't understand how can I really love someone but also be very disappointed in them at the same time. So throughout my healing journey, I kept having this like tug of war with my heart, and that's just my history. My head and heart loves to fight, and then so when I am guarded, I listen more to my logic than my heart. Is anyone else like this? But I'm starting to understand that it's okay to still love someone very much, but still let them go. So this year is more about me choosing myself over habits and connections that I just feel like have ran their course. Do anyone else struggle with this? Let me know in the comments.